This is the ACCURL Master new Guillotine shearing machine. Now we will show you the working of this machine. The cylinder two side with light, and the machine with the German ELGO P40T control system. It's in the forward. With a Snyder PLC and the inverter. And then the guy bought screw with the baggage. Relics, Rose, hydraulic system and the Siemens motor. You see, we just put the blade thickness, then the blade and the gap will automatically change. And this is baggage. This is ELGO. 200 for baggage. 当然这是一个欧式，这几个吧啊，几个字的这个牌子，好牌子。This 200. 20. We will test 1 millimeter and 20. I'm about to打开了，过来呢。把这个7楼的回来打开了，把个别的打开了。You can open this door to check the plate. If you want to cut, must close this. 轻轻我在那。这是一个，这铁多。拿过来。You can see the cut is very straight. This is a new design for European market and American market and some web customer. So if you like this machine, you can send an email to us. You will get more details.